Hi friends, welcome to the part 12 of the series. In this video I am going to talk about some beautiful multiplications. Link to the previous video is in the top right corner. We will talk about 6 kinds of multiplications which have beautiful patterns. So let's start. First type, look at these multiplications. Here we have 3 parts. A multiplicand that has consecutively increasing digits, a multiplier digit, and an offset that is same as ones digit of the multiplicand. I will first show you how to do these quickly, then I will show you the general technique. Let's solve these first. We take the multiplier digit and subtract it from 9 and call it diff. Then to get the answer, we start with adding 1 to the multiplier digit and then subtract diff from it at each subsequent step. We repeat this step offset minus 1 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times 2 plus 4. Here multiplier is 2, diff is 7 which is 9 minus 2 and offset is 4. So we will start with 3 and subtract diff from it 3 times. So 3 and then 3 minus 7, then 3 minus 14, then 3 minus 21. So it is 3 minus 4 minus 11 and minus 18. So how do we compute the number that it represents? So 3 minus 4 is 30 minus 4. It is 26. Then 26 minus 11 is same as 260 minus 11 which is 249. Then 249 minus 18 is same as 2490 minus 18 which is 2472. Similarly, we do for 1, 2, 3, 4 times 8 plus 5. Here multiplier is 8, diff is 9 minus 8, 1, and we start with 8 plus 1, 9. And at each step we are going to subtract 1 and we are going to subtract it 4 times. So 9, then 9 minus 1, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 3 and 9 minus 4. So the answer is 98765. So in case of 8, it simply starts from 9 and starts decreasing by 1 at each step. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 7 plus 6. Here multiplier is 7 and diff is 9 minus 7 which is 2. So we start with 7 plus 1, 8 and at each step we are going to subtract 2. So 8, then 8 minus 2, 8 minus 4, 8 minus 6, 8 minus 8 and 8 minus 10. Here the offset is 6, so we subtracted 5 times. So here it is 86420 and finally minus 2. So 86420 minus 2 is same as 864200 minus 2 which is 864198. Now we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 9 plus 8. Here multiplier digit is 9. So diff is 9 minus 9, 0. So we are not going to subtract anything. And then we are going to start with 9 plus 1, 10. So 10, 10, 10, we put it 7 times because offset is 8. So 10 and then 7 more 10. So it will have 8 ones and 1 0. If you remember the train technique I talked about in part 4, link to part 4 is in the top right corner. Now let's look at its general form. So its general form is 1, 2, 3, 4 up to k times d and then same k we have to add, and k and d both belong to the set of 1 to 9. Here we first calculate the diff which we call f. So f is 9 minus d and the answer becomes d plus 1, then d plus 1 minus f, d plus 1 minus 2f, 3f all the way up to k minus 1 times f. And then we have to follow the technique which I talked about earlier. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times 3 plus 8. So here the digit is 3 and diff is 9 minus 3, 6. So we are going to subtract 6 at each step and we will start from 3 plus 1, 4. So 4, then 4 minus 6 minus 2, then minus 8, minus 14, minus 20, minus 26, minus 32 and minus 38. So here 4 minus 2 is 40 minus 2, 38. Then 38 minus 8 is 380 minus 8 which is 372 and so on. One more example. So we are starting from d plus 1, which is 7, and we are going to subtract 3 at each step, and we are going to do it 6 times. So 7, 4, 1, minus 2, minus 5, minus 8, minus 11. Second type. Here we will look at multiplications of this form. Multiplicand has consecutively decreasing digits starting from the multiplier digit. An offset starts from d minus 2 and 10 minus d is subtracted from it at each step. So d can be anything between 5 and 9, and k can be anything between 1 and d. For example, for multiplier 9, it looks like this. So k starts from 9 and offset is 9 minus 2, 7, and at each step 10 minus 9 is subtracted. So 10 minus 9 is 1. So we have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. So here the answer is of the form we put 8, 11 minus k times. So in the first example where k is 9, 11 minus 9 is 2, so we have 2 8s. Then we have 3 8s, then 4 8s, and so on. In the last case we have k as 1, so 11 minus 1 is 10, so we have 10 8s. For multiplier 8, k starts from 8 and offset starts from 8 minus 2, 6, and at each step 10 minus 8 is subtracted from it. So at each step 2 is subtracted. So 6, 4, 2, 0 minus 2, like this. Here the answer is of the form where between 7 and 0 we put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 7 minus k. So if 7 minus k is negative, then we don't put anything. So in the first case k is 8, so 7 minus 8 is negative, so we don't put anything, and the answer is 7 0. In the next case where k is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0, so we put 0. So 7 0 0. In the third case k is 6, so we have 7 minus 6 1, so we put 7 0 1 and then 0, and we do the same thing for the rest of the numbers. Then for multiplier 7, k starts from 7 and offset starts from 7 minus 2 5, and at each step 10 minus 7, which is 3 is subtracted from offset at each step. So 5 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 7, like this. So here the answer is of the form between 5 and 4 we put in the sequence 3 5 7 9. The general format is 7 minus k times 2 plus 1. So when 7 minus k is negative, then we don't put anything. So in the first case k is 7, so this is 1, so we don't put anything. It remains 5 and 4. In the next case k is 6, so it becomes 3, so the answer is 5 3 4. In the third case the k is 5, so 7 minus 5 is 2, which is, and times 2 plus 1 is 5, so we have 3 5. So 5 3 5 4, and so on. And same way for multiplier 6. Now in case of multiplier 5, offset starts from d instead of d minus 2. And here the pattern is between 27 and 0 we have a sequence 1 5 9. General format of that is 3 minus k times 4 plus 1, and we do it in the same way we did before. Third type. It is similar to the first type but only has odd digits. So it is only for 9 and 8 multipliers, and offset in the case of 8 is different. So for 9 it is like this, and for 8 it's like this. Fourth type. Here there are two n-digit numbers where one number is all 9s and the other number has same digits. So d n times and 999 n times. Here answer is of the form, we put d n minus 1 times, then we put d minus 1, then we put 9 minus d n minus 1 times, and then we put 10 minus d. So let's do some examples. Say we have to multiply 4 3s by 4 9s. Here it is a 4-digit number. We will write 3 times 3, then 3 minus 1 2, then 9 minus 3 is 6, so 3 times 6, and then 10 minus 3, which is 7. 3 times 3 2, and then 3 times 6, and then 7. Now in the next example we are multiplying 5 7s by 5 9s. So it is a 5-digit number. So 5 minus 1 is 4, so we will write 4 times 7, then we will write 7 minus 1, which is 6, then we will write 4 times 9 minus 7, which is 2, and then 10 minus 7, which is 3. So 4 7s, then 6, then 4 2s, and then 3. Fifth type. Here we have two 9-digit numbers where each number has same digits. So d1 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 up to 9 times, and d2 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 up to 9 times. Whatever answer we get here, we can split it into 6 parts, R1 to R6, such that R2 to R6 are 3-digit numbers and R1 may be either 2-digit or 3-digit number. These parts have certain properties. The first property is R1 plus R4, R2 plus R5, and R3 plus R6 equal 999. Second property is that if either of the number is even, then R1, R2, R3 and R4, R5 and R6 are in average relationship, where sum of two numbers equals twice of the third number. And if both the numbers are odd, then in R1, R2 and R3 and in R4, R5 and R6, two parts will be same and the third part will be either one more or one less. So let's do some examples. Suppose we have to multiply 9 7s with 9 4s. So this is the answer of the multiplication. So here R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6 are like this. Now if you add R1 plus R4 and you get 999. If you add R2 plus R5 you get 999. And if you add R3 plus R6 you get 999. And R2 plus R3 equals 2 times of R1, and R5 plus R6 equals 2 times of R4. Now second example, here we are multiplying 9 5s with 9 3s. So answer is this. So here R1 to R6 are like this. So here again R1 plus R4 is 999, R2 plus R5 is same, and R3 plus R6 is also same. Now here R2 plus R3 equals 2 times R1 minus 1, and R5 plus R6 equals 2 times R4 plus 1. Sixth type. Here we have two n-digit numbers where one has all 9s and the other has any mix of digits. So d1 d2 up to dn times n times 9. So here answer is of the form d1 d2 d3 up to, in place of dn we write dn minus 1. Then we write 9 minus d1, 9 minus d2, and then at the end we write 10 minus dn. So let's do some examples. So suppose we have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 4 with 4 9s. So it is a 4-digit number. So first we will copy D1 to D3, so which is 1, 2, 3. Then we write D4 minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, 3. Then we write 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, 9 minus 3, 6. And then we write 10 minus 4, which is 6 again. So it is 1, 2, 3, 3, 8, 7, 6, 6. Now suppose we are multiplying 625,80497 by 8 9s, because it is an 8-digit number. So here up to 7 digits we are going to copy as it is. So 625,8049. Then we will write 7 minus 1, which is 6, and then we will subtract from 6 to 9 from 9. So 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 9 is 0. At the end we are going to write 10 minus 7, which is 3. So this completes this video. I hope you liked it. In the next video I am going to talk about some mind reading tricks where I will use some of the multiplication shown here. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and please hit the like button and bell icon. Enjoy.